In addition to static electricity, ion demonstrate this ion air gun, the operation of removing static electricity from the circuit board. If there is static electricity on the circuit board, can cause damage to components. Test the circuit board. You can see it. It's negatively charged, 2000 volts charge. Now use the ion air gun. Static elimination of it. Purge circuit board. Then measure the static electricity value. After removing static electricity, 100 volts static electricity left. Static electricity is very small. No component damage.